his professional life to the advancement of public health and the delivery of quality healthcare services. Whereas throughout his distinguished career, Dr. Ismenos demonstrated exemplary leadership, unwavering commitment and compassion in promoting preventive, curative, and rehabilitative health services. Whereas his invaluable contributions significantly strengthened local health programs, improved health outcomes, and enhanced the implementation of national and local health initiatives for the benefit of the community. Whereas his dedication, integrity, and professionalism have earned the respect and admiration of colleagues, local officials, partner agencies, and the constituents he faithfully served. Whereas after 38 years of remarkable public service, Dr. Ismenos will officially retire from government service effective February 25, 2026, leaving behind a legacy of excellence and commitment in public health. Now, therefore, be it resolved, as it is hereby resolved by the local health board of the municipality of Loan, to extend its profound gratitude and sincere appreciation to Dr. Wilmer E. Ismenos for his outstanding and dedicated service to the municipality and its people. Resolved further that a copy of this resolution be furnished to Dr. Wilmer E. Ismenos as a lasting token of honor and recognition from the local health board. Approved this 25th day of
sa ating mga kaimaw sa gobyerno, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. I am very fortunate right now. After 38 years of service, I'm about to exit sa aking mga journey. Pero aking na journey, wala na nag-end, pero it's still going on. Ang 38 years ko sa service, probably is not enough para ma-accomplish ko ang tanang-tanang ka na dudiban ko sa aking na journey. Alin ka pa magpasama.
Baila.